హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు డ్రీమ్ జాబ్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్. ఈరోజు మనం ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ మెకానిక్ లేదంటే డిప్లొమా కానీ బీటెక్ కానీ లేదంటే ఐటీఐ కానీ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ చేసిన వాళ్ళకి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ ప్రీవియస్గా అడిగిన ఇది క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఇది. సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ మొత్తం కూడా మనం ఈరోజు క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్స్తో సహా చూద్దాం. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఈ యొక్క క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ అనేవి ఇప్పుడు ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ మీద ఏ ఎగ్జామ్ అయినా సరే చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇవి. సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ మొత్తం కూడా చూడండి, ఈ వీడియో పూర్తిగా చూడండి, మీకు చాలా వరకు ఉపయోగం ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్, ద బ్రేక్ రెసిస్టర్స్ యూజువల్లీ హ్యావ్ హై పవర్ రేటింగ్ అండ్ రిలేటివ్లీ లో ఓమిక్ వాల్యూస్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, resistor types which higher power rating are known as. It is the answer is wire wound resistor. As the temperature increases, resistance of the semiconductor is decreases. Which among the following is an insulator? Mica is an insulator. Copper is widely preferred for making electrical wires because copper is a good conductor of electricity. Which of the following find applications as switching device in modern power devices? It is a insulated gate bipolar transistor, IGBT, insulated gate bipolar transistor. Among the following, select the basic circuit functions performing by transistor. One is amplification, second is switching. Answer is both 1 and 2. If the time period t of a sine wave is 50 ms, its frequency is how much? 20 Hz. RS232 is a serial bus for data communication. The reduced form of a plus b into a plus c is, answer, a plus bc. Number of selected lines in a 4-to-1 multiplexer. Answer is 2. Input or output signals of PLC means programmable logic controllers, falls under range of 4 to 20 milliamperes. Choose the correct options regarding common mode in op amps, output amps. Its answer is same signal appears on both inputs. Propagation delay due to flip-flop is larger in asynchronous or ripple counter. Working principle of optical fiber is total internal reflection. Working principle of optical fiber is total internal reflection. Which of the following is known as heat radiation? Infrared radiation. What is the approximate frequency limit of the optical fibers? Answer is 20 GHz. For a super heterodyne receiver switch an IF of 455 kHz, calculate the image frequency at 1400 kHz is, it is a 2310 kHz. Content of the program counter, the address of the instructions to be executed. The voltage gain of an amplifier is expressed in dB. The rating of resistor is measured in both ohms and watts. The rating of resistor is measured in both ohms and watts. Semiconductor has a negative temperature coefficient of resistance. Semiconductor has a negative temperature coefficient of resistance. For germanium PN junction, the maximum value of barrier potential is 0.3 volts. In a photoconductive diode is as light increases, resistance decreases. The output impedance of an ideal op amp is 0. The NOR gate output will be high if the two inputs are 0, 0. The Boolean expressions for 3 input AND gate is x equals to A, B, C. The sweep generator of a CRO is used to produce sub-tooth voltage for the horizontal deflection of electron beam. LVDT is an dash transducers. It is an inductive transducers. How is a JK flip-flop made to toggle? JK, J equals to 1, K equals to 1. Following is a 16-bit register for 8085 microprocessor is. It is a stack pointer. Which of the following is not a possible cause for optical fiber loss is. It is a stepped index operation. The secondary winding of which of the following transformer is always kept closed? It is a current transformer. The secondary winding of which of the following transformer is always kept closed? It is a current transformer. Parity bits are used to detect errors. Which of the following operating system does not support more than one program at a time? It is a DOS. The input to a comparator is sine wave. The output is a rectangular wave. The input of comparator is sine wave. The output is rectangular wave. For JFET, when VDS is increases beyond the pinch of voltage, the drain current remains constant. Which of the following diode is most suitable for detection of microwave signals? Answer is Schottky barrier diode. Form factor of sine wave is 1.11. How many selected lines are required for a 1 to 8 demultiplexer? Answer is 3. The purpose of a shield wire on instrument signals cable is to be minimize electrical noise. The breakdown mechanism is a lightly dropped PN junction under reverse biased conductor is called avalanche breakdown. The gain of the amplifier when negative feedback is added reduces. The gain of the amplifier reduces when negative feedback is added. N-type silicon is obtained by doping with pentavalent element. A pattern displayed by oscilloscope which has a steady characteristics is called Lissajous. X-band radar frequency is 8 GHz to 12 GHz. Moving coil instrument make use of electromagnetic effect. Convert decimals 41.6875 into equivalent binary. Answer is 101.1011. Parity base are used for the purpose of dash in digital systems. Error detection. Strain gauge LVDT at thermocouple are examples of analog transducers. It is a టోటల్గా ఇది రీసెంట్గా 12/2/2021లో జరిగిన ఎగ్జామ్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఇది. సో టోటల్ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీరు ఒక పేపర్ మీద నోట్ చేసుకుంటే చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ ఇవి. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. అలాగే మా యొక్క ఈ డ్రీమ్ జాబ్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి అండ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.